Hello, my fly babies. Hello, my patrons. Hello, my lions living in your new strength. Happy Saturday. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. So as I said, today is Saturday. This is our family fun day. Here's how it begins. If you're an at-home fly baby or patron, it's a 2-layer cake. It is our routines and our basic weekly plan. Basic weekly plan is family fun day. So routines. So we're going to do our morning routine, which is get up before the family and do your morning routine. Even on Saturday, get you started right. You're not off kilter and you feel a little sense of control, which is a very empowering thing, giving you more confidence that you can do this. Then get your kids ready for the day. Don't let them sleep forever, but let them sleep. But don't let them sleep forever. And then get on with your day. So the next thing you're going to do is, it is Saturday. You may or may not have laundry left from the week. I hope you don't, but if you do, you're going to start it. Or maybe you have older children and this is their day to do laundry, so you're going to oversee that. You're also going to go through an inch of paper today because the mail runs every day. So you go through your mail and an inch of paper every day until that inch of paper has inched it all away. Inch by inch, it's a cinch. It's all gone. 2 feet in a month. All right, so we're going to do that. That's it. Now we're going to relax and enjoy the day with our family, unless you're going to work in the yard or do something like that. As a family, I think that's a fun thing to do. And then do something really rewarding afterwards. Maybe go out for ice cream. All right, after that, at the end of the day, we're going to do we're going to make dinner. We're going to have our after dinner routine where everyone cooperates and helps clean the kitchen. It's not a sad or terrible time. It's not a turmoil time. It's not a turbulent time. It's a fun, happy time. Put on some good music, dance, do whatever it is that you do that makes your family happy. Have them do imitations, whatever, but make it fun while you get it done. That'll get it done. And then you have your before bed routines, which we're going to address in just a minute. If you're a payroll fly baby and during the week you were able to get all of your things done, probably today you're going to have a grocery delivery or a grocery pickup that needs to be done. And you may have that weekly home blessing hour if you chose not to delegate that. So, or you didn't split it up during the week yourself. So those 2 things will have to be done. Other things as well if you didn't get them done. So look at the basic weekly plan. There's 4 action items in the 7 days. The free day is not an action item. Family day is not an action item. And Sunday, renew your spirit, is not an action item. So that leaves you with 4 action items. And that was your weekly home blessing hour, your planning and desk day, your errand day, which includes groceries, and your car and purse. So if you didn't do some of those, this is the day you're going to do it. Please try to get them done during the week so that when you wake up on Saturday, you don't have to face those things. Okay, that'll be done in little increments, and that's the Fly Lady way. But if you can't, I get it. If you work a crazy job, crazy shifts, I understand. If your kids aren't home anymore and you can't get the weekly home blessing hour done during the week, it's okay. I'm not judging you. I'm just saying, for yourself, if you can put forth the extra effort, it'll be so worth it. I just want you to have that freedom. Okay, then we're going to do our family fun day and our before bed routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. So before bed routine is the kids do their before bed routine, which is you give them a warning, you give them a reminder and a 5-minute final reminder. They pick up their toys, trash, food, dishes, whatever, and put them away. And then they go pick out a book, and then they go take their bath. They wash their hair if they need to. They brush their teeth. They wipe out the sink. They hang up their towel. They put on their pajamas. They put their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes basket. They do whatever little jobs you might have them want, whatever other little jobs you might want them to do. And then they climb into bed where we read stories together or independently, and then it's nighttime, lights out. And then it is Saturday with your husband. And then you do your before bed routine, which is check your planner, always, always. Lay out your clothes for Sunday. Remind the kids that tomorrow's Sunday, by the way. If you're going to church, they need to have that reminder. It makes them get ready in their heads, and it helps you too. So you might even have a conversation about what they're going to wear. So lay out your clothes, do any before bed routine things that I don't mention that you do every night, like feed the dog or let the dog out or whatever, make a lunch, whatever. And then I know that some of you will think that's crazy, but if you work on Sunday, you need a lunch. Okay, and then we're going to take our bath or shower. Make sure you clean your face and moisturize your skin. put on your pajamas, you've got your clothes laid out, you've wiped out the sink, you've hung up your hand towel, you've hung up your bath towel, the bathroom looks nice, you've wiped down or sprayed the tub or tile, the shower door, whatever, and you're ready for bed. You're ready to settle in and do that relaxing thing that gets you ready. You make sure that you're going to bed in time so that you can get up in time, because you're going to get up before the family, and tomorrow you're going to church. Maybe you've chosen to go to early service. So there you go. That's it for today. There's nothing else. Enjoy yourself so much, and always remember that you are beautiful.